The chuck puller is a professional disassembly tool suitable for repair and disassembly of various equipment. It has a unique design and adopts a chuck-type structure that can firmly hold screw heads of various sizes, making the disassembly work more stable and efficient. The chuck-type puller is made of excellent material and has been carefully processed to ensure the durability and reliability of the tool. Its handle design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold, reducing fatigue during long-term use.